Okay. So in direct stroke of lightning stroke or lightning may directly fall or lightning wave may directly impact on the transmission line, or the voltage may get directly superimposed on the transmission line. That is direct stroke. Okay. B. There may be indirect stroke. Indirect stroke of lightning. क्या indirect stroke? What is indirect stroke of lightning? Indirect stroke. That is इथे आपण लिहू शकतो in short direct strike of lightning streamer. Here, because of the lightning, you may have electromagnetically induced EMF. Electromagnetically induced EMF or voltage. Because of lightning, you may have induced effect of voltage. Induced effect of voltage due to the charged cloud. Due to charged cloud. Cloud nearby line. Concept A and concept B clear to you? अजूनही काही जणांना काहीच समजत नाही, नुसतं येस सर नो सरच म्हणतात. तुला समजत नसेल तर विचारा. दिसलं का मी काय काय म्हणतोय ते? समजलं का? Electromagnetically induced EMF may travel along the transmission line, that is indirect. There may be also third part. Third type, that is electromagnetically induced EMF किंवा voltage. Due to atmospheric charge. Atmospheric charge. Atmospheric charge. In air you may have positively charged particles and negatively charged particles. This may also cause electromagnetically induced EMF, and this may also travel along the transmission line. Okay, so this then you may have electromagnetically induced EMF. Electromagnetically induced EMF or voltage. Fourth type, because of काय? Lightning discharge. lightning discharge कुठे? near the line may cause. इथे डायरेक्ट स्ट्रोक मध्ये तुम्ही बघितलंय, हियर देर मे बी अ डायरेक्ट स्ट्रोक, बाकीचे सगळे इनडायरेक्ट स्ट्रोक आहे. This is also, B is indirect, this is indirect stroke, this is indirect stroke. Okay? समजलं का? Direct stroke of lightning streamer on line. This is on line, and this is, it may be a discharge near to the line, not directly on the line, may also causes induced EMF. Okay? समझते करे? Then you may have another category or another type. Another type, indirect stroke. So indirect stroke of lightning. You may have electromagnetically induced voltage due to presence of due to frictional effects. Friction effect of charged particles. Charged particles. What are such charged particles? Like dust particles, like dry snow particles. Okay. So this may cause the induction of voltage over voltage in nearby line. Any doubt? What is the level of voltage? What is level of voltages? External causes of over voltages we are discussing. External causes, याच्यामध्ये what is voltage level? Voltage level किती लेवलचं ओव्हर व्होल्टेज असेल? 5 to 20 million volts. म्हणजे किती व्होल्ट्स? काय माहिती? 1 मिलियन व्होल्ट म्हणजे किती व्होल्ट? मिलियन. Are you with me? That is 5 to 20 millions of volts, or 5000 kV to 20,000 kV, and potential gradient is of 5000 to 10,000 kV. Have you understood potential gradient concept? बोला, समझलेला आहे की नाही? नहीं समझना. So any doubt regarding external over voltages? External over voltages, their range, their particular magnitudes, potential gradient, and particularly the types, direct stroke and indirect stroke of lightning over voltages. Any doubt?
No. No, sir.
1 minute. Is it visible to you, my screen? Hello? आवाज येतोय का? What happened? Hello? आणि आवाज येतोय का माझा आता?
हो सर.
एक फिगर मी तुम्हाला दाखवतो. ते याला आहे ना, जावेदला सांगा त्याने आताच टोनर बनला, एवढं का फेंट येते? हा, अजून बिलही नाही दिला आपण. हॅलो, एकच मिनिट. फक्त तुम्हाला एक कन्सेप्ट मला सांगायचं आहे. This is a very simple figure. Are you able to see?